Ooh, can't show that on YouTube, child. Ooh, yeah. But I wanted to show you guys that today's outfit, I am Gucci down to my socks. Okay. Gucci down to my socks. Oh, change up. Okay, but my little thing underneath is showing. I mean, it's cute or whatever, but Lord, community guidelines. Community guide. Oh, okay, it kind of looks better now. Okay, I'll leave it in then. All right, so today's video I am doing. It's called Sweet Snacks Mukbang Storytime. How I got my phone and one of my most embarrassing moments in high school. So if you are new here, I am Diamond. The reason why the camera is looking like this is because I am standing up for the first time in my video, which we love. I was eating my cereal or whatever, and I'm almost done. But as I said, I am doing a mukbang. So today we gonna be eating today, child. We are gonna be just eating all day today for this video. I don't know why it looked like this, but just work with it for me. Work with me today, okay? Thank you. Did I introduce myself? Anyway, so if you're new here, I am Diamond. I do comedy, commentary, and popular opinions, advice videos. I'm gonna start incorporating skits and stuff. I'm a well-rounded person. So I can really do any type of video. So yeah, don't niche me, okay? Don't ever niche me. What else? What was I saying? Okay, so for the mukbang today, I bought some cheap snacks. Ain't nothing here over $2, baby. Ain't nothing here over $2, okay? Because I was not gonna spend it. You feel me? Ooh, I'm gonna show my little accoutrements again. Anyways, okay, so this is cornflakes that I was eating for my breakfast. You don't need to see that. So I have peanut butter creams. I don't know. I've never eaten this before. Any of these, except maybe the whatever. Okay, so peanut butter, and we have strawberry, and we have vanilla, and we have chocolate chip cookies, and we have Club Social, which I actually love. Club Social. Propose to me with a Club Social biscuit. I'd say yes, period. And this last one seems like it was open. Probably rats, you know, but just in case you guys don't know those rats personally, it kind of tasted a little bit soft, so it's probably like stale. So those rats probably have a bellyache right now. Just saying. Okay, before we get started, today's shout out goes to Kiana Vision. She has an amazing segment on her channel called the Black Content Corner, which if you guys know me, you know I absolutely love, because I'm black, I bleed black, I sleep in black, I dream in black, I walk in black, and I dress mostly in black. You feel me? So yeah, I absolutely love that. I love and support anyone who puts other people on, because I mean, you can have 2 followers, 3 followers, and those 3 followers can have 1 million each. You get what I'm saying? You'll never know who's watching. Okay, so definitely go check out her channel, go watch her videos. And guys, please watch the videos, please. Like, stop making attention spans look like a thing of the past. Actually watch the videos, actually engage with the content, especially people like like her or me or some other creators that I know, the videos are topics of discussion. So we don't want you to comment on our videos saying, thank you for sharing, great video, when we're in the video talking about prejudice, racism, sexism, colorism, you know, the struggle of this and da 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 da, and then you comment great video. I mean, I know it's a great video. I would not have posted it. She would not have posted it. You get what I'm saying? So if you want to support, definitely go support her, support me, support everybody, and be genuine. You feel me? Be genuine, and you gonna succeed as well. We're all gonna succeed. Everybody who's genuine is gonna succeed. It might take you a little bit longer because you're genuine, but you're still gonna succeed, and you know, you'll surely deserve it. What's going on over here? All right, so thank you, Kiana Vision, for supporting my channel. I appreciate you, and I will support you as well because I actually love what you do. Absolutely love what you do, and I wish you all the best. Road to 2.8 mil. Okay, I have never done a thumbnail in a video before, but with food I have to, because obviously if I take too long it's gonna be gone and I'm not gonna be able to have a thumbnail. So
you see that? You see the glorious, the glory of these.
okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna edit myself into this, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to take like a photo with my face with the cookies. So I'm gonna just put them in the Ziploc as I said I was gonna do. I'm just gonna put them in the Ziploc, and we're gonna start to eat and we're gonna start to talk. This video has been going on so long. I'm gonna speed it up, edit it properly and stuff, but like I've been filming now for like an hour and I haven't even started yet, so let me try to get to it. Okay, so this is the same mat that I used in my life update video where I threw it over me and I put the planet over my head. This is the same mat. I don't put it on the floor, but it's a mat. It's not a blanket, it's a mat. But you know, you were saying? Coconut water. I'm gonna have to wash that glass and put it up real quick before 1 o'clock. Okay, so I have my snacks here and my coconut water. Okay, I look way better like this. Love that. I cut half of my, like 90% of my, well, probably 80% of my body off. Anyways, so as I was saying, I have my notes here. The first story was a couple years ago when I was in high school. I don't remember the entire details offhand, so I did jot down some notes for that first story. And okay, so basically what had happened was I was at a high school track meet with my friends and everybody. I think we paid to get there, and you know, we were enjoying ourselves, we were having a good time, and I was there, we were just talking and stuff, and then someone tapped me on my shoulder and said, hey, we need you to run. And I don't know why I used to do this in high school, but I used to tell people I can run, but I can't run. You know, I'm not the slowest person on earth, but I'm not a runner. You get what I'm saying? But because I'm Jamaican, people probably believe me. I don't know why. I am a liar. I lied in that situation, and I do apologize for anyone who thinks I can run to this day. I can't. I'm so sorry. I wanted to look cool. Oh my god. Okay, so I mean, I wasn't technically lying because I do run. I did do track. I did run, but I wasn't as fast as I kind of like put myself up to be like, I'm so fast and this is why I can't run like this. But I'm not a runner. Okay? So they tapped me on my shoulder and like, all of these cookies are soft. Like, everything can't be stale, man. That's crazy. Anyway, so I don't know if there's some on my face. I have a mirror up there, but it tapped me on my shoulder, and I got up and I was like, why did you guys tell them I was here? you know. And I went down because we were on the bleachers, and I went down and they gave me a tracksuit, like a shirt and some shorts, and I put it on, and I didn't have any shoes because I wasn't prepared to run that day. I wasn't warm, nothing. So I didn't have any shoes, I didn't have anything, and I looked over on the track and I saw someone who had socks on, like, to run in. So I was like, okay, maybe I can run in socks. I put the socks on and it wasn't comfortable for me when I was walking in it and stuff, and I just felt weird. So I took it off. Stupidest thing. I took the socks off, and then I, went around because there was a little lane. So I went around and I walked through the gate, and everybody was like congregating right there. And we were there for a while, and I was feeling pain. I was feeling pain in my stomach, and I was like, what kind of pain is this? Like, this pain had to come now. And I started to feel the drip. Now, if you're a woman, girl, whatever, you know what the drip that I'm talking about is. My period was starting. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's not what I'm eating, but I'm talking about coochie, but it's my coochie, whatever. And I felt the drip in the shorts, the borrowed shorts from someone else. And I say, you know what, I can't turn around now because my team is depending on me. I'm the only one here that has ran in their life, which is why they chose me. So I gotta do this. And I'm barefoot, but I had the socks in my pocket. And on your mark, get set, and we went off, and I was running, I was doing good, and then I got out of breath. Oh my God. I was out of breath on the track, and I was running, but it wasn't like 100 meters or anything like that. It was like 400 meters, so we had to run all the way around the track. So when I got to a certain point in the track, my feet started, like, I'm Gucci down to my socks right now, but my feet started to strip off on the field. My foot was stripping off. I was bleeding from my foot and from my accoutrements, and I was just like in so much pain, and I stopped on the track. Now I wish I could find a video. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but if I find the video, I will insert it and show you guys, because it was a track meet that was videotaped. Okay, if I find the video, I will put it up somewhere. But oh my God. I stopped in the middle of the track, and I put the socks on, and I kept on running, and I was last. Okay, I was the last person, and everybody was waiting on me. Like, they was tired. Okay, they were tired waiting on me, and they were like, is she gonna get to the finish line at any point this year? And I don't know, I think that was like, I don't remember when that was, probably like 2014, 2013 or something like that. But I was like, oh my God, what am I gonna do? And I'm freaking out, and across the finish line, I was tired. Like, I was tired, but because I was like way in the back and I was last and stuff, no one paid any attention to me. No one gave me any medical like attention for my feet or anything else. But I knew that my time of the month, my ladies' days has started. So I always have like pads and stuff in my little purse, my little bag. Anywhere that I'm going, I always have it. So they were calling for the uniforms because they were gonna take the uniforms back and have them cleaned, and then they can put them back in the school area where they keep the uniforms. So they were calling for the uniforms, and I heard them, and I know I messed up this uniform, so I had to just like dart. Now that's the fastest I ran. Okay, I had to dart out of there when they started to call for uniforms, and I had to run to the bathroom and get my clothes and change the clothes and wrap the uniform up, and then, you know, fix myself and clean myself up and stuff. And I was feeling, you know, fresh again and good again, because I always have deodorant and stuff like that in my bag as well. Oh my god, they were like, one uniform is missing, someone took a uniform, da 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 da, we need it by Monday. And I was like, you gonna get it. You gonna get it. I gotta clean it first. So I snuck out of there with the uniform, and I went home. I, you know, soaked it and soaped it up and stuff and got it clean, and then I, you know, folded it neatly and brought it to them the next Monday, I think, because the trap meet was on a Friday or a Saturday, I don't remember. And let me tell you, when I got there, the lady was like, oh, you're the one with the uniform. And I was like, you know, yeah, and I had it because my period came down on the track and I was in so much pain, which is part of the reason why I came dead last. So not because I'm a terrible runner, which I am, but because of that situation that had happened to me, plus my foot was tripping off and my foot was bleeding on the track. So that is why I was having so much difficulty, okay? And that is why I was last, okay? So I blamed everything other than the fact that I was the slowest person on earth at that moment. But yeah, still got a full bag of snacks. What else? I think that's it.